It's no fair. It's no fair, no fair, no fair. This is not actually her. I have proof. Look. Look. Hold on, I'm trying to find her. Look. Look at this. Hold on. I'm trying to find the other one she took. Look at this. I just noticed this. I thought that was her, but I found out it wasn't. Where is the other picture of her? Look at this. See, it's proof. It's not her. It's no fair. How did her video blow up? Cause she looks gorgeous, but it's not even her. And she has 100 likes. But look at my channel. Oops. Look at my channel. I only have 32, 24, 14. How does she get so much views? Cause of her beautiful face. And it's not even her. It's no fair. I hate it. It's no fair. You can see my comment, and I thought it was her the whole time. I thought, that's not her. She's not actually my sister. I just called her that. She's not. This is not her. Why does everybody believe her? It's no fair. How does she believe her? Nobody ever watching my videos. It's no fair. It's no fair, no fair, no fair. How does everybody like her videos but don't like mine? Ugh. I hate this.